Yeah, welcome to Grammar School. Dear friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to write the capital letters in cursive. Please follow the method as I show you in this video and try to produce the same in a notebook. So let's start. To write capital A, we'll start from this letter, we'll go up and come down and we'll give a shape like this. This is letter A in cursive. This is letter A. To write letter B, dear friend, from the upper red line will come down, will come down and will go up and make a curve. This is letter B. Dear friend, this is letter B. Now let me show you how to write letter C. We'll start from here and we'll make a curve and we'll stop here. This is letter C. To write letter D, my dear friend, we'll start from here and we'll write this way. Now let me show you how to write letter E. To write letter E, we'll follow this step. And this is letter F. To write letter G, we'll start from here and go like this. This is how to write letter G. H. Very simple step. This is letter I. After I, there is J. The next letter is J. The next letter is J. To write J, we'll start from here. We'll go up, come down and go like this. Letter K. Now let's learn letter L. We start from here, come down and make another curve like this. This is letter L. Now let me show you letter M. N. O. This letter P. And Q is very familiar to us. Let's see R. To write letter S, dear friend, will go and come back like this. V. This is letter W. Now let me show you letter X. Different. This is the correct way to write letter X. Way of writing letter X. I think it is clear to you. Friends, to write Y, we'll start from here and we'll go like this. This is letter Y. The final letter is letter Z. This is the 26th letter of English alphabet. And this is the correct way of writing letters. Here in this channel you'll get videos of handwriting, English grammar as well as spoken English. Please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from our videos. Thank you very much. All the best.